Maraming beses na kitang nilay.
Hello, International Cebu Airport. After 30 minutes, we're finally on our pushback to go to Manila. It's 11:24. We were supposed to have left at 10:50, but finally we're here. And everyone's sleeping except for me. I guess the coffee really kicked in.
Manila, I keep coming back to Manila. Simply ain't no place like Manila.
Hello! Hi! Hi, Gapo! We're in Chikaan. We're having a late lunch. It's already 2:48 and just changed because it's hot. And yeah, we're waiting for our food, so I hope it's good. Let's eat. This is Hokkaido cheese toast, and we got original cheese and Oreo cheese, and it says there to wait 30 seconds to a minute before you bite, so you can really see that the cheese will stretch. So it's been about 45 seconds. So which one do you think I should try, the original cheese or the cookies and cream? Chocolate. Okay, so I'm gonna try the cookies and cream first. So you see that's the cheese inside. Alright, let's go. Let's not stop it. Where's your cheesy thingy magic? Good? Good?
Hinahanap kita Manila. Ang ingay mong kay sarap sa tenga.
I feel like I'm in Las Vegas. Just look at that. So we're walking here in Okada with a lot of stores and restaurants, boutiques and shops. On this side is their infamous water fountain, where in a little bit it'll light up and you'll see this amazing water fountain show. And so I can't wait to see that because it's my first time here.
Manila, and promise me you'll never let go. Promise me you'll never let go.
Good morning, day one in Manila. I just woke up and it's currently 7:28. But before we go out and prepare and stuff, let me do a quick room tour for you guys. So we're in room 1636. This is our view when we get inside. So this is our card. This is our bathroom. We have towels, bathrobe, the toilet seat. We have a hair dryer included, and our a shower, which also includes hot water with complimentary shampoo and conditioner. We have a safe down here. You can see that. More storage space. Then here we have our sink. You can put stuff here in the cabinets. Very empty. Also there as well, that's a nice cabinet up there. We have a microwave. And then we have here complimentary bottled water, Oishi pillow snacks, mugs, latitos, and then we have refrigerator space down here and more storage space here. And then our beds, since we're 3, we have a double bed and a single bed over there. Our Samsung TV, and then our air conditioning unit, our phone, a whole bunch of charging spaces. You can put your vanity here. My grandma is actually here, by the way. This is our view here. Let me roll this up real quick. Way around. Oops, nope, that's not it. Why is it not working? There it is. It's very heavy. Sorry, I'm having some difficulty doing this. Okay. This is our view here every morning. A lot of construction. Over there is the Golden Phoenix Hotel. Then at the far back of this building are more buildings, but over there is MOA behind this building. If I stand over here at this side, the middle, where our elevator is at, you can see the globe from here actually. This is still Hotel 101 on the side. And if you look down there, that is the floor. That is the second floor. That's where our pool's at. So you have a very nice view. However, this building in front of us is like under construction, so that doesn't look so pretty. And over there as well. But I mean, hey, you see the sky, you see the sun. It's beautiful. Over there too are these new innovative relas, I think, or tricycles. That's also pretty cool. This here is another no, it's not. It's like a shopping center, a mini shopping center. That's pretty cool. So that's pretty much it for our room tour. Very simple, very cute, very small, chic, and provides you everything you need. And you have a beautiful view every morning of the sun in the sky. So if you like this room, this is Hotel 101 in EDSA Extension here in Manila, 700 meters away from MOA. So that's pretty close to where you want to be. A Grab is just a phone call away, a text away. And downstairs you have our free breakfast every morning. So check it out, guys, Hotel 101, if you haven't been here already. So I'm actually wrong. MOA is not over there. MOA is actually right behind us. And we can't see it because our windows are pointing to the other direction. But I think you'll understand once I show you this. So this is our floor, the 16th floor, the tallest floor in this building. Since we booked this hotel, we had a hotel actually in EDSA, but the day before we came here, we changed our hotel. So this is the elevator station. There's 4 elevators in this hotel. So what I showed you was that view a while ago. And over there is SM, actually, right there. Not here, but there. Our room was over there. Okay. There's the pool. Alright, let's get breakfast. So we're here in the Conrad. It's an amazing, amazing building. It's a hotel. But before we get to the hotel, which is on that side, there's a mall, and there's a whole bunch of like branded like stores here. They're not just brands, they're like upper class brands. But today we're not here for that. We're here for the dessert museum. So we're gonna see if there are any more free tickets because we didn't book a line first. First room, the donut room. This is the entrance.
The shelter of someone's arms, and there you were. Needed someone to understand my ups and downs, and there you were. With sweet love and devotion.
Here at the Venice Grand Canal Mall to ride a gondola and to have our lunch.
I did was such a bore. Everywhere I went, you know, I've been there before, but you brighten up.
We're here at this place called Isla, Sugbo Seafood City, and here you can pick out your fish, your meat, your seafood, and you can pick from this menu how you want it cooked. And so we chose pampano, and we chose salmon and chicken. So we're gonna have that cooked in lola, steamed and grilled. So I can't wait to eat our food. Cute. Look at all this food. A whole bunch of fish and noodles and soup, which is all in our stomachs. A whole bunch of hungry people. We're here at Ace Water Spa. We spent the next 4 hours here. This is our locker room. So my shoes are taken off and they put it over there. And we're just gonna go find our locker, wherever it is.
D07, not yet.
Okay, so we just finished our water spot. Ace inside. They have like a ton of stuff. They have like hot herbal pools.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store.
They have rose, mint,
But the prettiest sight to see.
jasmine, and lavender. It goes to 34, 36, 38, and 40 degrees Celsius.
A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that'll talk and we'll go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, there's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well.
Good evening and Christmas Eve. We're about to go out for dinner. Since we don't have any reservations, we're planning to go to Hot Pot. So let's see if there's any left. Hopefully there are, because we really want to eat there. So we're walking to our dinner tonight because it's really close by. So at least we made up ourselves for this special dinner.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one.
This tea is real. Hot, but it's good. Gulaman. I don't know if you can see. Cold gulaman. So this is our dessert. It's sweet. I'm gonna try it. There's ice in it. There's just some gel and a whole bunch of other stuff. I don't know their names, but I'm gonna try it.
Turn off, ma'am. Turn off.
There's peanuts in it, but it's really good. Free dessert because it's Christmas. Thank you to our waiter, Nash. Merry Christmas!
Bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open open sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
It's our last night here in Manila. It's our last night here in Manila. Just had hot pot at a legit and authentic Chinese hot pot restaurant, and it was delicious. It's at the Next Gen Tower. It's called Good Luck Hot Pot. So try it, I think, already. Good morning. It's day 3 and our last day here in Manila. Let's have breakfast and we'll go to Disney on Ice later.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening?
There it is, the MOA Arena. And we're here. This is us, 2:20. Let's go inside. There'd be famous Amos in Manila. Merry Christmas! We're here in TGIF Friday. Okay, so I got this Bistro Group rewards card. And what it is, it's this rewards card for certain kinds of restaurants. So you have here TGIF Fridays, Italianis, Texas Roadhouse, Buffalo Wild Wings, Tenny's Hard Rock Cafe, Red Lobster, and much, much more. So with this, on Mondays, you get 30% off on Mondays, 20% off Tuesday to Sundays, and you have free coffee or hot tea on your purchase at the dining restaurant. So I think this is a great way because we like to eat out a lot, so you should get this if you are the person that likes to eat these places as well. Walking back to the hotel from MOA. It's been a very hot, very tight walk. So a lot of people are just everywhere, but we're managing it.
Manila, I'll keep coming back to Manila. Simply ain't no place like Manila.
All aisles and exit rows are clear of any items.
Manila.